Aggregation and composition, or in other words, the has-a relationship. A waiting room, in this case, has patients inside it. The patients can exist without being inside a waiting room. They are human beings, and in the context of our system, they can walk about the place. So that's aggregation. Here's the patient class. Now, you can see this quite clearly in code because a waiting room, in this case, has an array of type patient, and that's where it contains the instances of the patient class. So that's, if you looked at that code instantly, because it has an array or a variable, either one, of the type of this class, then you can say that this class contains this class, or in this case an array of, potentially an array of instances of this class. That's aggregation. Composition, here's another good example. You have a university which contains departments. Now, if the university ceases to exist, then the departments will also cease to exist, but the professors will not, because they might go on to work in a different university. So in this case, the professor can exist without being in a department. That's aggregation. Whereas the department cannot exist without being in a university, and that's composition. Now, in code, they both look virtually identical. There may be an extra couple of lines of code inside composition to, maybe delete the department if the university gets deleted, but it may not. It's just understood by the analyst who's making the diagram. In some circumstances, in the example I showed you there was an array of patients inside the waiting room. It could also be just a single variable, not an array.